Are you looking for the best HID headlights? In your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best HID headlights that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Philips D2R Standard Authentic Xenon HID headlight bulb. What better place to start than with the best? Philips is one of the biggest manufacturers of light bulbs, not only for the automotive world but other areas as well. Philips is an original equipment manufacturer, OEM, for the automotive industry, and 1 in 2 cars in Europe are equipped with a Philips light bulb. Philips only offers one model in the HID light bulb category. The standard Xenon HID we're looking at here. As such, we know that this is the same bulb that you'll find installed on new cars around the world, and it also comes certified as DOT compliant. Philips headlights are designed to give the best quality and performance while ensuring a bright, long-lasting light. Philips makes the claim that Xenon lighting helps drivers concentrate on the road, thanks to the white light they emit, which is comparable to daylight. The Philips standard Xenon HID headlight is made of quartz glass which can resist thermal shock in case of water touching the bulb, even though the glass reaches temperatures of up to 800 degrees Celsius. The Philips standard Xenon HID bulb deserves its first place position in today's review if for no other reason than the thousands of extremely satisfied customers. Almost 80% of customers give it a 5-star rating, resulting in an extremely impressive 4.5-star average rating. People's biggest praise for the light bulb is how durable they are. One customer regales us with updates since he bought the light bulb. It covered for than 70,000 miles over 5 years before requiring a replacement. Customers are also happy to purchase a trusted OEM product, often taking out their original light bulbs to find out that they are the exact matching light bulb. It's not all sunshine and roses, though. While the vast majority of reviews are positive, 7% of reviewers rated it a 1-star, claiming premature failure and having received non-authentic light bulbs. While there's little to support those statements, one must take note and realize that a return may be required. Up next in the 4th place is the Sylvania D1S Basic HID headlight bulb. Sylvania is just sliding into 2nd place with their standard high-intensity discharge bulb. In a similar fashion to Philips, Sylvania offers just one product in this category, and also being an OEM, you'll find this is the same bulb that is installed on new cars. Sylvania is the American branch of the international brand Osram and as such, gets a lot of points in the reliability department, with Sylvania claiming the bulb will last up to 3 times longer than a conventional halogen bulb, their own included. This is thanks to their precision in manufacturing and quality for consistent performance. Oddly enough, Osram does market a range of HID light bulbs. These products offer a combination of benefits, including brighter light, higher temperature colors, and extended life. But Sylvania chose to only sell the rebadged Xenarc Original in the US. Oddly enough, customers report that the Sylvania bulbs they purchased show the same marking and "Made in Germany" stamps as the Osram bulbs, so one would expect them to sell the rest of the range as well. Regardless, Sylvania doesn't have much more to say about their light bulb, letting it stand on its brand name alone. This isn't necessarily a bad thing. This is their standard product, and you know exactly what you're buying and what to expect when you purchase it. In general, people are happy that the product matches their existing light bulbs and are satisfied by the brightness and lifespan offered by the product. One thing to keep in mind is that when installing these light bulbs and first turning them on, the light they cast may appear much yellower than the bulbs you're replacing. This seems to be part of a warming period the bulbs have. After 10 to 20 hours of use, the expected white color will return. But even with that taken into consideration, quite a few of the 1-star ratings the bulbs received relate to customers who found that the bulbs never met their expectations with regards to color and brightness, even after using them for several months. There are also some complaints of receiving bulbs in a damaged state. With only 6% of reviewers opting to give Sylvania a 1-star rating, this is still a very good product, and don't let that minority of purchasers put you off. This product offers the reliable and bright performance that has come to be expected with HID light bulbs. The third product on our list is the Kensun HID Xenon replacement bulbs. Kensun has been selling HID products for almost 10 years now and has developed quite a good reputation in the aftermarket scene. Their biggest market is in conversion kits, allowing cars that came with halogen light bulbs to install HID light bulbs instead, and have recently been expanding that market to LEDs. As such, it makes sense for them to make use of their expertise and manufacturing experience to sell to conventional customers who just want to replace their HID light bulbs. In line with this, Kensun offers both standard 4300 kelvins light bulbs, as well as a full range of other colors, from yellow through to blue and beyond. Besides producing a full spectrum of color options, Kensun's offering also differs from the OEMs in that they sell these products in packs of 2. Not only that, but they charge for 2 light bulbs that the OEM charges for 1. Kensun still makes the same claims as to the OEMs, though, with a brighter light, longer life, and lower power consumption. Along with that comes their promise of excellent quality and customer care. Why would you not choose Kensun? In total, the Kensun HID replacement bulbs managed a 4.2-star rating from customers. This is slightly down from the OEM products we just discussed, but not by a lot. The biggest difference noted between these bulbs and the OEMs is not the nature of the reviews but the percentage of positive versus negative reviews. When you look at 5-star ratings, they all offer the same lines about how great the bulbs are regarding brightness and how low priced they are compared to getting the shop to do it. At the same time, negative reviews report the bulbs failing early in life, sometimes within several months. But the Kensun product gets double the 1-star ratings, 14%, to what the OEMs received, although still maintaining a 73% 5-star rating. If you're looking for a cheap set of light bulbs that will most likely work well, the Kensun offering is that. Several customers have even complimented Kensun on replacing their bulbs after they failed prematurely, so you won't be at a complete loss purchasing these. Second on our list is the HYB 8000 kelvins 35WD2R Auto Xenon HID headlight replacement bulb. Little is known about HYB beyond the few of its products that are sold on the Amazon store. The HID brand does not have its own website, and search results reveal little information. In addition to this, the bulbs have only been on sale since June last year but have still managed to sell and score themselves a 4.2-star customer rating. So what can we discuss? These are HID replacement bulbs designed to take the place of your originally installed HIDs. They're advertised as being suitably bright and are offered in 4 different colors, including an OEM matching 4300 kelvins. Similar promises are made for extended life and energy saving. While some customers were very skeptical of the low price tag offered for 2 light bulbs, they've generally been impressed. Light bulbs fit as expected and shine brightly to match already installed bulbs. Unfortunately, because these bulbs have only been on sale for a few months, there's very little evidence to support their longevity. Some customers have already complained about the lights going out after only a few months of use. It's hard to get a good feeling for these bulbs. They definitely do seem to offer competition to the equally low-priced Kensun, but we'd probably stick with a better-known product than these HYBs. Finally, the top product on our list is the HID Warehouse HID Xenon replacement bulbs. Likely the most affordable HID replacement bulbs out on the market, HID Warehouse specializes in HID bulbs and conversion kits for a wide range of makes and models of vehicles. The company offers replacement bulbs in pairs for various applications and colors, depending on the temperature you want, including 3000 kelvins, 5000 kelvins, 6000 kelvins, 8000 kelvins, 10,000 kelvins, ruby pink, midnight purple, and deep blue. Again, check with your state's official laws before choosing a bulb that's brighter than 5000 kelvins. HID Warehouse also offers a 2-year warranty with its products, so despite its low price, you're getting a bit of a guarantee with live tech support based in the US. The replacement bulbs are also compatible with most aftermarket HID kits, and each pair of bulbs includes 2 plug-and-play wiring harnesses allowing for a quick and easy installation. HID Warehouse says its bulbs are waterproof and shockproof, 100% reversible, and have received ISO 9001 certification. Like Kensun's bulbs, HID Warehouse's bulbs are ideal if you're looking for an affordable replacement, or even a temporary solution. Just keep in mind that some owners have run into issues with their lifespans, which is to be expected given their price compared to Philips and Sylvania. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.